everyone, welcome back to another video on Budget with Soph. If you're new here, welcome. For my video today, we are going to do week 2's cash stuffing. So yeah, usually we do budgeting, we do cash stuffing, we save our coins, we see where our money goes, and we budget so we become debt free. Okay, so that is what we do. We are single income. I am 33 years old, so yeah, this is a side hustle income, and today we will be cash stuffing. Let's get our cash tray out and let's count it out. We'll be cash stuffing $50, $100, $20, $25, and $30 today. So we will be cash stuffing $30 for week 2 of May. All right, guys, so cash stuffing, and we are starting with our savings challenge. So let's get out our savings binder. We have our cash, our savings binder, and our savings book. So let's go here into our 52 weeks. I believe we already did week 2's, so we are not doing any for this week. We already did Friday week 2 for May, and we already did week 2 for May in our What's It Like Outside. We did not write down what the weather is like today, but we will be cash stuffing $50 for week 3 because it is a big number, and waiting will make me feel like I'm not doing something. So we're gonna start with this one. The weather today is looking very beautiful, and I'm gonna say it's partly cloudy, so another $50. So $50 will be next week's cash stuffing for the last cash stuffing of May for our week's What's It Like Outside. So let's go into our What's It Like Outside. And if you guys didn't know or didn't watch my last video, which is my paycheck, you would not know that I spent out of this envelope $710 for my citizenship. So yeah, that is why we are a little bit lacking when it comes to money in here, but we will quickly build it up, and we are supposed to save a lot of money in here, and we already took out 710, so that's good. So we have 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 65, and $70 in here. $170 in our What's It Like Outside. So let's get our marker. It's not this one. And we're gonna mark this off because we did that one. All right, so let's go into the next order of business. We don't have anything in here. I'm not gonna put anything in here, and I'm not gonna do a 26 weeks. So that is it for our savings binder that we are doing for this side hustle cash stuffing. All right, let's hop into our monthly binder, because we do have a lot to save in our monthly binder. I am going to put the next $50 into May. So I'm going to put the 50. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 115, and 120. So we have 120 in May. And I started coloring the flowers. So let's get our markers. This is not the regular Sharpies that I usually use. I'll do 5. $15, 20, 25. This one's not really working. 30, 35, 40, 45. One more color for 50. 50. So we should have 100 and I forgot how much I said, but 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 105, and 10. I might be missing a flower, but we will figure that out later. But that is what we are going to cash stuff for our monthly. And that is it for our monthly savings challenge. Let's get into our high priority and see if we should be cashed up at anything in here. I forgot what's in my envelopes. 100 for Sophia 1 month ahead. I'll put $20 in 1 month ahead. We can slowly start saving for this. So 1 month ahead gets $20. So I'm gonna write it here. 5, 25, add 20. And that will give us $70. 70. And we're gonna put $5 in new car. So that will give us 20, 25, 30. And then we can put $5 in electronics because I do want a new iPad. So we have 5, 10, 15. I want a new iPad. My iPad is old. I got it from I'm really appreciative that where I got it from, but I got it from one of my families that I babysit for. So it wasn't new, and I do appreciate that. But so yeah, so it was, I'm gonna write was 10 plus 5 here. Let's change this part too. So 25 plus 5. So it was 50 plus 20. So yeah, that is it for this cash stuffing. It was very small, very quick. We did cash stuff 3 of our binders, saving binders and high savings challenges and high priority, and I think that's really good for our second paycheck. We had already done some week 1 and 2's 52 weeks and Fridays, so we only added in 1 challenge in here in our savings challenge. So I'm really excited about that. Let's hop into our Erin Condren Erin Condren planner and just show you the update. So here we are. I am going to, so we are here. Car insurance is paid. Gas and electric is paid. Prime is paid. I will be babysitting today, so babysit today. Then we have the baby shower tomorrow, and then I'm off on Monday. So that is what it's looking like for our weekly planner. We did babysit, so this and this will be added into week 4, and then that's it for the month of May. Like, we have literally one more month in the month of May. One more week in the month of May. I did go to church here as well. I don't know why I didn't write that down. I went to church here and I went to church here. That is it for that. I kind of organized my room today, so we're gonna cross that off. And later today, I'm going to go look for some gifts. So yeah, let's get going. And today I'm going to go do my nails, and then I will come back and do my cash stuffing for my budget for paycheck number 2 of May. And yeah, that is what we are going to do. That's it. Thank you guys so much for coming back to one of my videos. This is a really quick, short video, so I really appreciate you guys coming back. And I'll see you guys in the next one, which will be my paycheck cash stuffing for paycheck number 2 of May. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.